Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Yeah, for that we will need the settings so just scroll down here below the battery symbol and then you have here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on here. And then you need to scroll down on the left side to the point General Management. It is the 5th point from below and it has a gray icon here with some white stuff to adjust in it. On the right side, you will have now the first point, language. And maybe you are having here a list right now, like in my case. And if your language is part of the list, like in my case, Deutsch, so just tap on it, go on the blue button to apply, and your language is then immediately here, the language of the tablet. Let me turn it back into English here to show you better what to do if your language is not part of the list or there's no list. Just tap here on the green plus symbol to add a language. And then you can choose from many languages. And yeah, let's keep going on maybe with English to follow the video better. And at the second step, you can choose a local dialect here from many countries. Yeah, let's take maybe the dialect here from India. Greetings, by the way. And now you need to go here on the most right point here, set as default. And then immediately the tablet is having the language you have chosen. In my case now, English with the dialect of India. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.